sacred day for us as our offensive rebounding. We got 29 offensive rebounds yan. So I think it's the first time we got a much number of offensive rebounds. So sa testament, the hard work. Alam natin maliit kami going into this game, hindi natin Bo, wala si Bo, wala si Keith. Kasi Luis wala pa rin yung mga malalaki namin. And Bo and Keith are our primary beats. So ang naiwan sa amin yung mga force na lang. So Gabe did a good job. Taylor Bigman today, even Marco Duran did a good job. Putting in quality minutes. Tapos yun nga, the usual is we were able to play some our own things. Kaya si Ma, ang kanya pa yung laro niya, maganda yung start niya because we started at that space.
Thank you, Coach Yang. And sabi ni Coach Yang, we had a really good start from the get-go. We were just scoring all line of goals and set the tone for how the rest of the game would go through. Coming from an injury, how did you try to regain your health back during your off-season? And what fruits of your preparations did you see in your game tonight?
So in terms of going back to playing shape, every day naman I work with our PTs, our team PDs, and our team strength and conditioning. And buti nga, nakapaglaro na kahapon ako last conference na konti. And laking salamat ko rin sa coaches namin, sa Coach Yang, na pinalaro pa rin ako kahit medyo mabigat yung injury ko. And so in terms of this team, proud lang ako na we stepped up to the challenge kasi coming off a tough loss against Index. Sabi nga ni Coach Yang, medyo mabigat yung talo na yun. And buti na lang, nakabawi kami. And hopefully, this becomes a momentum. Masarap mag-break ng mahaba na galing sa panalo. So hopefully, kabalik. So winning momentum kami. And sakto, next game namin ata is against the defending champions ng conference na to. Which is Meralco. So laking bagay na manalo kami this game for the next game.
Thank you, ma'am. We will now open with
Congratulations.
Salamat.
Coach, you mentioned last game na pinag-out po ang isip yung mga problema nito in terms of with this kind of person that someone continue na you can still compete without ball or run natin without it.
We can compete to a certain level siguro. Pero magkalaban mo na yung San Miguel, yung may malalaki talaga na different na kailangan ng mga matchup, kalaban mo yung mga Converge, yung Magnolia, may mga malalaki sila. Ay hirapan talaga kami. Kung wala sila o wala sila team. What we're trying to do now is just trying to buy time for them. We're hoping na medyo makababa yung bakasyon. 27 tayo next game namin, so it's about 11 days from now. Tapos may mag-wing break. We'll see kung kaya namin silang mahimbalik kung kahit isa lang sa amin. Kasi mahirap mag-survive talaga masyado yung naging sa gitna. Testament lang to how hard our bigs play. Santi had to play a 4. Nagdala ko na siya ng tres dati. Kailan did an excellent job of offense and defense. It's getting offensive rebounds, putbacks, defense. Two bodies outside shot is not working, pero kung maandar pa yung 3-point shooting niya, mas maganda pa sana. Pero he did enough today to make up for the absence of our two bigs. And again, it was a team effort to gain board, Santi just working hard off the boards and giving us those extra positions.
Coach, hindi how long will be out or how short will be?
Ano yan?
Kita ko, how long or how short?
Yung kay Keith kasi, I don't think it's that we want is for him to get back for the long term. No? Pwede mong pilitin na ilaro niya na isang dalawang laro tapos biglang sasakit na naman and then maghihintay ka naman ng ilang laro. So we'd rather rehab him for the long term. So kung kailangan maghintay ka ng konti para mas matibay ang pagbalik niya, siguro that's the proper way to at least this problem or this health issue by Keith. Pero it's not really a serious injury, but it's an injury that bothers you because of the pain. So tignan natin paano natin ma-manage.
Dikit lang yung reaction ko sa area na si Lopera. Hindi mo nila masakit.
Ang content ka na naman sa YouTube. So nalukuhan lang yun. Siyempre, lugi kami magkapalit sila ng mga. So, yun naman ang biruan pagka nasa barangay ka, nakakapalitan ng mga pagka masyadong physical ang laro eh. So, nalukuhan lang yun.
After coming out ng injury na conference, about yun sa after that injury na tayo na isa
Yun nga po, it goes back to yung confidence lang ng coaches namin sa akin kasi hinabot pa ako sa last conference. And laking bagay nun kasi medyo na-feel ko na agad yung game. So coming into this conference, medyo game ready na. Thank you po.
Congratulations to Coach Silvia and GM Mamuya.
Thank you po.